ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to all of you to this momentous occasion, the world premiere of Kia's latest masterpiece. It's my privilege to invite on stage the driving force behind Kia India's success and innovation. Please welcome Mr. Ganguly, the Managing Director and CEO of Kia India.
Kia India is dedicated to sustainable mobility and providing innovative and meaningful experience that resonate with every customer we serve. We continuously challenge ourselves to explore new horizons and redefine the industry norms through daring and innovative initiative. Our goal is clear: to become the most inspiring, innovative brand by driving transformation across three key dimensions. Our guiding philosophy in developing the Syros has been spacious, smart, future-proof. We are committed to delivering a compact SUV that maximizes interior space while incorporating innovative, elegant, and futuristic design. In just 5 years, our unwavering focus on the customer and commitment to disrupting industrial norms have propelled us to the over 1.2 million vehicle sales, outpacing many competitors. With more than 700 touch points in over 300 cities, we ensure that our exceptional service reaches customers in both urban and rural areas, staying true to our goal of making mobility available to everyone.
The influence of Kia's design philosophy, Opposites United, is evident here, marked by the contrast of the bold three-dimensional fender shape to the clean and simple volume of the body side. The Syros wheel designs showcase a distinctive presence with the unique bright finish graphics. By utilizing geometric body design elements, impactful yet harmonious designs were achieved as it is completing the overall image of Kia's new SUV.
Compact is not small, and Syros exemplifies this philosophy. Ladies and gentlemen, the Kia Syros is not just a car. It's a statement of innovation, style, and capability. Designed for urban explorers and adventure seekers alike, it redefines what an SUV can offer. Number one, connectivity. That makes it future-ready with over-the-air updates that provide software enhancements automatically. Number two, lounge-inspired interiors that maximize space and provide unparalleled adaptability. Number three, uncompromising safety with robust structure and cutting-edge systems for all-round protection. It's time now to experience a new species of SUV. I proudly present to you the all-new Kia Syros.
Kia, movement that inspires.